This is a cherry Burl that a very good friend of mine gave to me for a birthday present. Grows all the way around the tree. The tree itself was very small, as you can see. Wild cherry tree and cherry Burl bowls are best sellers. Everybody seems to want cherry Burl, so here we have one. We're gonna take a slice off of this and make a bowl out of it. Wow, you can see the beautiful figure, and this is the reason why cherry Burl is our best seller. There we got rotten wood right in the bottom of the bowl. Mother Nature gave us this bowl with a rotten spot right in the middle.